If you're a fan of cold brew coffee, you know that it can be challenging to find the perfect brewing system. Many coffee makers out there are either too complex, too fragile, or just don't produce that rich, smooth taste. Makes cold brews so special. Enter this County Line Kitchen cold brew coffee maker, a mason jar pitcher designed to simplify your cold brew process while delivering top-notch results. This heavy-duty soda lime glass pitcher, complete with a stainless steel mesh filter and flip cap lid, promises to revolutionize your cold brew game. The County Line Kitchen cold brew coffee maker isn't just another coffee gadget. It's a must-have for anyone serious about their cold brew. With its straightforward design, high-quality materials, and thoughtful features, it's the perfect addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. Here's why this cold brew maker stands out from the rest. Making cold brew has never been easier, thanks to the County Line Kitchen cold brew coffee maker. Its simple design takes the complexity out of the brewing process. All you need to do is fill the stainless steel mesh filter with your favorite coffee grounds, add cold water, and let it steep in the refrigerator 12 to 24 hours. The result? A smooth, rich, and flavorful cold brew, ready to enjoy. Cleanup is just as easy as brewing. The components of this coffee maker are dishwasher-safe, which means you can spend more time enjoying your coffee and less time scrubbing out filters and jars. Only thing you need to remember is to avoid drastic temperature changes. Don't pour hot liquids into a cold pitcher, or vice versa. This simple care tip ensures your glass mason jar will last for years to come. One of the most annoying things about many coffee makers is the awkward pouring process. You often end up with drips and spills, making a mess every time you pour. The County Line Kitchen cold brew coffee maker eliminates this problem with its thoughtfully designed flip cap pour spout. You can effortlessly pour your cold brew without needing to awkwardly tilt the jar or deal with messy spills. What's more, the precision-engineered leak-proof lid ensures that your brew stays securely sealed. This means no more accidental leaks in the fridge or during transport. Whether you're taking your cold brew to the office or just keeping it in your kitchen, you can rest assured that it will stay fresh, secure, and mess-free. No one likes coffee grounds in their cold brew. That's why the County Line Kitchen cold brew coffee maker is equipped with a high-quality stainless steel mesh filter. This fine mesh filter prevents coffee grounds from sneaking into your drink, ensuring a smooth and clean brew every time. Plus, the stainless steel material is durable and easy to clean, so you don't have to worry about it wearing out after just a few uses. The versatility of this filter is another big plus. It's not just great for coffee. You can use it to make iced tea, infused water, or any other cold beverage you enjoy. Its compatibility with various coffee grounds makes it a flexible addition to your kitchen, giving you more ways to enjoy your favorite drinks. When it comes to kitchen equipment, durability is key. The County Line Kitchen cold brew coffee maker is made from heavy-duty soda lime glass and withstand rough handling. Whether you're a bit clumsy or you just use your kitchen gear a lot, this mason jar is built to last. You don't have to worry about it leaching harmful chemicals into your coffee either. It's BPA-free and food-grade quality, ensuring that your cold brew is safe and healthy to drink. This product is also backed by County Line Kitchen's product shipping guarantee. You receive a damaged item, they offer a full replacement or refund, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. You can rest easy knowing that your investment is protected. One of the best features of the County Line Kitchen cold brew coffee maker is its travel-friendly design. Whether you're working from home, heading to the office, or just want to enjoy your cold brew on the go, this mason jar pitcher has you covered. The built-in handle makes it easy to carry, and the leak-proof lid ensures that you won't end up with spills in your bag or car. Why spend money on expensive cold brew from your local coffee shop when you can make your own delicious brew at home and take it with you wherever you go? With the County Line Kitchen cold brew coffee maker, you can enjoy your favorite iced coffee anytime, anywhere. A must-have for coffee enthusiasts. County Line Kitchen cold brew coffee maker is a game changer for cold brew lovers. Easy to use, easy to clean, and built to last. Whether you're new to cold brewing or a seasoned pro, this coffee maker makes the process simple, and enjoyable. With its convenient features and durable design, it's perfect for anyone who loves a good cup of cold brew. From its stainless steel mesh filter to its leak-proof lid, every part of this coffee maker is designed with the user in mind. You'll get smooth, rich coffee every time without the hassle of complex brewing methods or messy cleanups. Plus, the versatility of this cold brew maker means you can use it for more than just coffee. It's great for iced tea and other cold beverages as well. If you're ready to elevate your cold brew game and enjoy delicious, refreshing coffee whenever you want, the County Line Kitchen Cold Brew Coffee Maker is the perfect choice. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.